Corkerhill Depot, shed code 67A, opened in 1896 for the Glasgow and South Western Railway to ease pressure on St Enoch. A railway village was even built alongside, housing more than 100 workers and their families. By the 1930s, it was a key site, modernised with mechanical coaling and ash plants. The only ex-South Western shed to get such treatment. But by the early 1960s, rows of steam engines stood awaiting scrap. Jubilees and Royal Scots, once seen on St Pancras expresses, were displaced by new peak diesels. In 1967, steam at Corkerhill came to an end, though the depot lived on. It was quickly converted to service diesel and then electric multiple units, and it still serves as a maintenance facility today. The old railway village also survives, a reminder of when the railways built not just depots, but communities. If you've enjoyed this look at Lost Shed 67A Corkerhill, please like, share and subscribe for more stories from Britain's railway past.